Today, we're excited to share 6 essential tips to help women of color excel in the corporate world. As ambitious women navigating the challenges of corporate America, it's important to have the right strategies and mindset to thrive. The team at Successful Income Builders Online is dedicated to empowering women of color to achieve remarkable career success and build generational wealth. Get ready for some game-changing strategies to help you thrive. Number 1. Confront conflict head-on. Don't shy away from disagreements. Learn to navigate them skillfully. Speak up, express your views, and find constructive solutions. This will showcase your leadership abilities. It's not just about who you know, it's about how well you connect. Number 2. Masterful networking. Cultivate genuine, mutually beneficial relationships across the organization. Your network is your net worth. Number 3. Time management mastery. Punctuality and efficiency are your secret weapons. Sharpen your time management skills to stay ahead of the curve and demonstrate your professionalism. Number 4. Advocate for yourself. Don't wait for opportunities to fall into your lap. Boldly ask for the promotions, raises, and projects you deserve. Your value is undeniable. Number 5. Embrace a growth mindset. Continuously invest in your personal and professional development. Seek out learning opportunities and be adaptable in the face of change. Number 6. Leverage diversity. Recognize that your unique background and perspectives are assets. Bring them to the table and ensure your voice is heard and valued. Diversity drives innovation and progress. Remember, you are a force to be reckoned with. Embrace these strategies and watch your corporate career soar to new heights. The path to success is yours for the taking. Let's keep building that wealth, one empowered step at a time. Stay tuned for more invaluable content from Successful Income Builders Online. Until next time, keep shining bright.